Okay, friend, now we get to the question everybody wants answered. How do you actually get paid? You've seen how I use simple content to get people to see my business. You've seen what happens when somebody is interested and goes into my automated system. But none of that explains where the money actually comes from. And I have to have something to sell. So let me show you what that is. I call it a business in a box. Okay. Now, let's get into this. Get my little whiteboard, okay? I'm going to move this over just a tad, and I hope that I do not lose you guys, okay? So that I can do this. Now, I have a business in a box. In 2024, I haven't really told my story, but in 2024, I was door dashing. You guys know I was door dashing, but here's the thing you didn't know. I lost I don't know if I said it. I lost my beloved black Suburban and my dashing job in the same day. Now, let me tell you what happened. So I was praying to God, asking God to please, please give me a way to be at home with my kids. I just needed a way, and I didn't know of a way. Like, I was out there doing the late night searches, how to make money online, and I was overwhelmed. Um, that didn't last for long. I would get on there and I'd be like, I got to find something. I got to find something. Then I'd be overwhelmed trying to figure out what's right, what's wrong, what's real, what's fake. And I was applying for things and I wasn't getting anywhere. And so I just kept door dashing. And I'm going to tell you, 2 days before the worst thing that could happen, or one of the worst things, this girl popped up on social media. And 2 days before it happened, okay? 2 days before the transmission went on my beloved black Suburban, and I lost my job and I lost the truck. Um, Remember, I got kids at home too, and we were blindsided. So I'm not going to go into details, but you get the gist of it. I needed to do something. And so door dashing. And this girl popped up and on social media, and I heard her. She was talking about God. She was talking about homeschooling, and she was talking about boatloads. Well, I was like, boatloads. I'm a skeptic. If you're a skeptic, just drop an S in the comments. I'm a skeptic. So what did I do? I'll show you what I did. I went like this and I scrolled. I was like, yeah, no. So I was wrong. Here I am, 2 years later. And I'm doing the very thing that I scrolled past. I am thankful to God for this. It was an answer to prayer. 2 days later, she popped back up. And when I lost the truck and the job, and I stopped and I said, can I ask you some questions? She was really nice. She said, yeah. I said, okay. I said, do I need a degree? That was stopping me from making substantial. She said, no. I said, okay. Can I do this from home? I didn't know what it was. Okay. I had no idea what this was. She goes, yeah, you can do it from home. I said, do I need to be on a phone? Because I'm thinking, please, God, don't say I need to be on a phone. I got kids. They're loud. I'm a homeschooling mom. She was like, no. I said, what is this? I didn't even know this existed. I didn't even know you could do this. It gave this mom a way to have skills, a way to learn skills, and a way to build a business. Like, that's why I say business in a box, because it was literally everything I needed to build a business and provide and be a present mom. And I will never, ever forget it. And I am so eternally grateful to the founder, because I don't know where I would be without it. I don't know. And I've got skills and I've built things because of this that I didn't even know were possible. So let me break this down. And it's not supposed to be blue, it's supposed to be pink. Hold on. My little thing down at the bottom. I forgot. Okay. So let me get back to this. Now, let me explain this. Okay. So we're in the e-learning industry, and these are marketing programs. Like, you're learning the skills. I should say they're educational programs where we get to learn marketing skills, amongst a few other things. Okay. But the whole entire focus and the foundation is going to be learning digital marketing skills, which just means online marketing skills. So to create those 7-second, 30-second, 1-minute videos, we're actually learning high income earning skills, which I didn't even like. I am so shocked that we can actually learn and have the opportunity to earn at the same time. I didn't know you could do that. I needed this in my life. I needed a way to bring in more. And I'm not talking pocket change and pennies. And I didn't want a job. I wanted a way to be at home. And so these programs, 5 programs, we're learning marketing skills. Now, when I started, I had asked her about this one. I was like, hey, if I purchase this one, 'cause I was scared. I was a skeptic. I didn't know if I could do this. I said, if I purchase this one, what do I get to promote? She said, that one. I said, that's all. You don't even have to say anything else. I purchased this one. So right away, I had 4 programs in my little business in a box. I was learning the skills to create the content. They gave me a website. It's made, and they gave me a pre-built automated system, all in my little business in a box. I had to be willing to learn to create content. And then in October of 2025, she came out with Spanish and English because people were asking for it. And so she brought that out and I upgraded. I went from the 9 to the 14, and now I have all of them in Spanish, all of them in English. We are not purchasing each one individually. Thank good. I'm so happy the way she did this. So now I have this one. I have all of them in Spanish, all in English, and I paid a one-time $69. Now, the 1, 3, 6, and 9 is a one-time $39 website fee. $69 is because I actually got a website in English and in Spanish, 2 websites instead of 1. Now, remember this, we're not purchasing individually. Yes, you can upgrade. You can go from the 6 to the 9 to the 9 to the 14. You will have to pay the website fee again, okay? There's no monthly fees. Now, I'm not going to go over that in this video, but in the next one, I want you to remember this. No monthly fees, and we are part of a community of 61,000, and you're also inside of mine, okay? My community. Now, the main community, and we're not going to talk about this. We're going to talk about it later, but she doesn't charge us monthly fees to be in there, and she will never change the 100% profit. 2 promises. Inside of the community, we get, I won't even talk about it. Sorry. Let's stick to this. But so you just choose based on your budget, based on your goals. I wanted to actually be able to promote that. And now I have this, and I am happy because now you see how I actually have $900 and $1,400 days. Okay. So I hope that that makes sense. Now I'm quickly going to go over something else. Inside the 6, the 9, and the 14 is UGC, user generated content. It is a way to generate another stream of income. 6, 9, and 14 has TikTok Shop. You can learn about affiliate marketing in these the smart way. You'll learn that. You're going to learn marketing skills in all of them. There's faceless training. There's 2 bonus faceless trainings in this one. And this one has AI. You can actually clone yourself and use that clone in your content. And you can clone your voice, which is absolutely crazy to me. So you can make your own community and monetize it if you want to. I made my own community. I made my own product. And I have affiliates for it now too, which is something I never saw. I never saw me having a community, teaching and coaching and mentoring people doing the exact same thing, but it is a blessing. That's all I can say. It is so exciting to see what happens because I bought a program that I wrote off on my taxes. That's the other thing. I purchased this, wrote it off on my taxes, paid this, wrote it off on my taxes. First customer put me in profit mode. That was in 2024, you guys. And my best month was 8,491. Now, I haven't even talked about money. But anyway, screenshot this, you guys. Screenshot this, okay? Now, let's get back to this. And this is where I want you to think beyond just hearing me say 900 and 1,400, okay? Because it's really not the number that matters. It's what another stream of income could allow you to do What could an additional 900 or 1400 do in your life? What could that do? Maybe that's a mortgage payment. Maybe it would take you two of those to hit your mortgage, pay your mortgage, the biggest bill. Maybe it goes towards paying off a credit card. Maybe you put it into savings because retirement's getting closer. Maybe you finally booked the vacation you've been saying you're going to take one of these days. There's a girl inside of here. She lives in Spain. She actually, that's she's in her 60s. She does this. And when I see her, she's living the life. Like, I love it. Maybe your child needs something. And instead of worrying about whether you can afford to help, you get to say, I got you. I've done it already. And I can't tell you there's anything. I love my son just had a baby. And I was like, what do I need to get? What do you need? It's different when you can give more because you have more and you're not just paying bills. Maybe you want to spoil those grandbabies without thinking twice about every dollar. That's huge. Your answer may be completely different than mine, but that's what I want you to think about, okay? Because it's not just Paula made 14. I want you thinking, what would another stream of income allow me to change? Because that's the reason to build the business. So what happens if you start? So now you understand the whole basic picture. You know what I actually do. You know how people find me. You know what the automated system does. And now you want now you know what I'm actually selling and where a sale comes from. But there's one more question I think you should have before you ever decide to start something like this. Who's going to teach me how to do all this? Well, it's a program. There is training, there is mentoring, and I'm going to go through this because remember, I didn't know how to do this when I started either. And I don't expect you to magically know how to do it. So in part 5, I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you the training. I'm going to show you the community and the support and some of what you actually get when you start, because I don't just want to tell you you'll get help. I want you to see it. Go watch part 5. And here's the bonus. You actually get to be in my community as well. Okay. And you're going to have more than I had when I started. So go watch part 5, training and support, and then you'll have the whole picture and you can decide whether this is something you want to take a closer look at. And I will see you over there.